Welcome to InfraSOS YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about what is threat hunting in cybersecurity, a complete playbook guide. So let's start this video with what actually is threat hunting. Threat hunting in cybersecurity is the active search for different cyber threats that are usually undetected by your network security. Now this search is carried out by a trained professional who is an expert at identifying different malware that might be of harm to the network. After that, let's talk about the elements of threat hunting in cybersecurity. So at number 1 we have the methodology. Now methodology is an approach which is one of the key elements of the threat hunting in cybersecurity. Now to successfully hunt for cybersecurity threats, you need to have an approach on how you will carry it out. Now this approach is usually a consistent process, therefore your methodology or approach constantly evolves to better tackle the malware that might be lurking in a network. At number 2 we have the technology. Well, threat hunting does not work effectively on its own. It will also need the help of a different security solutions. Hence, it works with these security tools to detect as well as handle anomalies and threats on a network. Now in turn, these security tools give enough data information that makes it easy to carry it out. At number 3 we have the need for a highly skilled expert. Now a highly trained cybersecurity expert is another important factor in the process of threat hunting. Now these experts usually work with the security tools to carry out this sort of hunting on a network. In addition, they are in charge of implementing different procedures to mitigate threats that are lurking in a network. Anyways, let's talk about different types of threat hunting in cybersecurity. So at number 1 we have structured threat hunting. Now this type of threat hunting is carried out after an indicator of attack or IOA. So after noticing the tactics of an attacker or threat, the hunter effectively uses that information to form a structured approach to eliminate this threat before it even becomes serious. Conversely, it usually follows a plan based on the attacker's previous activities to avoid another attack in the future. After that, we have the unstructured threat hunting. Now the unstructured threat hunting usually involves searching for anomalies in a network security. An indicator of compromise is what pushes this type of hunting. Now a trigger on the network shows a vulnerability somewhere that needs to be taken care of. And so, if this vulnerability on the network is ignored, it is likely to get attacked. At number 3 we have the security intelligence based threat hunting. Now in this type of threat hunting, the threat hunters use different intelligence based hypotheses or intelligence trends to better tackle threats that attack a network. Now with the proper threat intelligence, the threat hunters effectively increase the security of a particular network. So that takes us to the next section, which is what are the steps of threat hunting in cybersecurity. Well, the very first step is to have a hypothesis. So before hunting for threats on a network, threat hunters must have a hypothesis about these threats. This hypothesis is based on different ways of threat taking advantage of a network's vulnerability. Furthermore, they look for solutions to these vulnerabilities in their hypothesis. The second step is to investigate. So basically, to conduct a proper investigation and effectively hunt down threats on a network, you need to collect useful data about this particular network. Also, the data and the information about the network security is enough to help you give proper analysis to kickstart an investigation. Now generally, investigations help to deal with anomalies in a network security after going through the security track records. Number 3 in the steps include recognizing the patterns. So after the proper investigation, it is easy to recognize different patterns that an attacker uses to attack that particular network. Now with these patterns, the attacker's next move is predicted and some measures are put in place to stop the next attack. And the last step is actually response. So when we have gathered enough information on the different activities of threats on a particular network and how they behave, the cybersecurity expert needs to implement a response to these threats. Now this response involves removing damaged files, removing the network's vulnerabilities, as well as eliminating a threat if found. After knowing the steps of threat hunting, let's talk about what are the challenges of threat hunting in cybersecurity. Well, the first and the foremost is the lack of threat hunting expert. Because without threat hunting experts, it is nearly impossible to carry it on a network. If an organization cannot hire or find a well-trained expert, it will face many challenges regarding the security of the network. Besides, they face this challenge because security experts have a crucial role in the whole process. The second challenge is having insufficient data. Now, threat hunting is usually done after studying the different data and information about a network security. So without this data, a good hypothesis cannot be created to take care of different anomalies recorded in the data. Therefore, if an organization does not have adequate data and information about its network security, it poses a challenge to threat hunting. After that, we have the outdated threat intelligence. So concurrently, cybersecurity experts involved in threat hunting must be updated with the latest threat intelligence. Consequently, cyber threats are usually evolving, and the hunter needs to be aware of the latest threat intelligence so they can better prepare. Now talking about cybersecurity and threat hunting, you should check out InfraSOS. Because with InfraSOS, you can create Active Directory and Office 365 reporting using our SaaS user reporting and auditing tool, which in turn makes sure that your users are secure. Now the link to the InfraSOS website is in the description box. And that also brings us to the end of this video. Now if you still want to learn more information about cyber threat hunting, then make sure to check out the blog linked in the description box. And if you have learned anything new with this video, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.